Miss this and you're stuck in Linux admin while others transition to DevOps roles, unable to effectively manage and automate the delivery of software applications. In the real world, a DevOps engineer is tasked with building a complete CI/CD pipeline that automates testing, security scanning, and deployment gates. This pipeline must integrate code quality checks using SonarQube and container security scanning using Trivy, all within a Jenkins pipeline that automatically rolls back on failure. What it does. A CI/CD pipeline is a series of automated processes that take code from development to production, ensuring it meets certain standards of quality, security, and reliability. The pipeline consists of several stages, including build, test, scan, and deploy. Each stage has its own set of tools and configurations that work together to ensure the delivery of high-quality software. Command/example. Breaking it down. The Jenkins file defines a pipeline with 6 stages: build, test, SonarQube scan, Trivy scan, deploy, and rollback. The build stage uses Maven to compile and package the code. The test stage runs the unit tests using Maven. The SonarQube scan stage uses the SonarQube Maven plugin to analyze the code quality. The Trivy scan stage uses Trivy to scan the container image for security vulnerabilities. The deploy stage uses Kubernetes to deploy the application. The rollback stage is used to roll back the deployment in case of failure. The post section defines a failure handler that rolls back the deployment if any stage fails. Common mistakes. One common mistake is not properly configuring the SonarQube and Trivy tools, leading to incorrect or incomplete scan results. Another mistake is not implementing automatic rollback on failure, which can lead to a broken deployment being pushed to production. Additionally, not monitoring the pipeline and its stages can lead to undetected issues and failures. Try this next. To practice, try integrating other security scanning tools, such as OWASP-ZAP, into the pipeline. You can also experiment with different deployment strategies, such as canary releases or blue-green deployments. Additionally, try implementing automated testing for different environments, such as staging or production. Pro tip. In production, it's essential to monitor the pipeline and its stages closely, using tools like Prometheus and Grafana to track metrics and logs. This allows you to quickly identify and fix issues, ensuring the pipeline runs smoothly and efficiently. Additionally, implementing automated testing and security scanning can help catch issues early on, reducing the risk of broken deployments and improving overall software quality.